Thank you so much for giving me the forum. His Excellencies Ambassador Najibullah Ali Khail, Ambassador Aziz Ahmad Khan, who has also joined us just a while ago, Ms. Fawzia Kufi, distinguished panelist from Afghanistan and Pakistan. His Highness, His Excellency Ambassador Najibullah Khail, very special and profound thanks for your valuable inputs and setting the tone of this webinar. Dignitaries, on behalf of Pak Afghan Youth Forum, I welcome you all on this webinar. It's heartening to see all distinguished panelists and honorable guests from both countries taking your time out to discuss and enlighten us about the ongoing peace process of Afghanistan, especially when there is an announcement being made by the US President and when there are different analyses coming out with regards to the future of Afghanistan. Many questions are there in the mind of people of both countries as we both are interconnected in this for many known reasons. Questions like what will happen in a post-withdrawal scenario? Will there be a negotiated settlement? The team and committee involved in negotiations, will they be able to safeguard the gains of their struggle to have a pluralistic, all-inclusive Afghan government in a system and a system in times to come? Are there any looming threats? What will become of the Afghan refugees? From education to health to trade, like the ambassador has deliberated upon these points as well. What will be the future outlook of Afghanistan as it will have a direct impact on Pakistan and indirect impact on South Asian region? We have with us practitioners in this panel who are dealing with the China-Pakistan issues and are all well aware of the developments been taking place, especially with regards to CPEC and BRI in this region. We hope to listen some key points as how Chinese factor will play a significant role in a post-withdrawal scenario with its BRI and CPEC going towards Afghanistan. How do Pakistan see Afghanistan? Do we still see Afghanistan from a geopolitical lens, or do we have a paradigm shift and we may be watching these, we may be watching things differently from a geo-economical perspective? How do Afghanistan see Pakistan and its role? Like the ambassador has, I stated earlier, that he deliberated upon these points in very detail. But what are the gains in last few years with different tracks of diplomacies? How do we make the maximum use of different connecting elements that we already have? You see a lot of questions and a lot of matters to be discussed. And in this regard, this distinguished gathering here may enlighten us on these and many more aspects of the coming future, and also how both countries, that is Pakistan and Afghanistan, will be able to share a destiny in sustainable peace, progress, and mutual understanding for the betterment of our future generations in times to come. I thank you all once again for being here with us. I won't take much of your time and can't wait to hear you all out to enlighten ourselves and the youth watching this webinar. Thanks a lot.